Sunday morning, September 1st. Here's the Astro Excel for the week ahead, starting today. Of course, Monday is a holiday here. Other markets are open. We're going from the zero line up to the plus 10 practically all the way through Monday. As we get into Tuesday morning, on the 3rd, we're fighting the green line, traveling down till about 5 a.m. Wednesday morning. Then it's up pretty strongly all the way through Wednesday and all day Thursday till about 11 p.m., 2300 hours, and then pushing back down Friday. But it's still up above the plus 10 range for almost the whole session on Friday. So it'll be bullish up at that point. The blue line has some important spikes. The first one will be Monday night at 2200. Then we have this big spike low here at 1500 on Tuesday. We have this spike at 10 a.m. on Wednesday. On Thursday, 9/5, we have this spike peak at 5 a.m. Then this low point here around 2300. And then lastly, on Friday, early 3 a.m., we have that spike high. So those are the important peaks for the week, along with the trend pressure indication. I'll come back and put out the monthly view in a minute.